Hi you guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. You're wondering why I'm so dressed up. I'm just doing laundry. This is my laundry outfit. I like to wear it when I do laundry. It's just cash. Okay, so I started a new channel for those of you that don't know. It's called Theme Doll, and I also have an Instagram. I think it's theme_doll. I'm not sure if there's numbers after it. I will have to let you know. I will put it in the description. But anyway, I just got done filming it. It's just where I um, show you my clothing hauls. I love to get clothes from different places. A lot of it is Fashion Nova, and so I'm trying them on for you guys so you guys all know and you can see it. And so I just got done with that, but I do have a recipe that I am posting on my Recipes Recreated channel, and I would love for you guys to check it out. It's delicious. It's Italian beef hoagies. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I already started it. I was like, okay, I'm going to do the intro after I'm done with this channel, my theme doll channel. So I thought, you know what, I'll just keep my little last outfit on that I had that I did for it, and then do my intro. So you guys, Italian beef hoagies. It smells so freaking delicious. It's so easy. They're about ready. So I'm gonna go take all this stuff off, throw my hair up, and put some sweats on so I can chow down. It smells so good. So I want you guys to try it. It's delicious. It's easy. And then also, please go to my theme doll channel, and I'll put a link in the description so you can just link on it and subscribe. And check it out, like, share, subscribe. I'm just gonna do some try-on hauls with my favorite outfits that I find, mostly through Fashion Nova, but other places too, and maybe even just like, regular stores here in the city. So anyway, that's it, you guys. Thank you for being here, and let's go. I'm gonna go prepare it to go eat, but this is the beginning of that video, so let's get started. Thanks, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna start out with a pot roast. It's a beef roast, and about 3 or 4 pounds. We're just gonna salt and pepper each side, pretty generously, actually. And I have the pan going with a little bit of oil in there, and we're going to sear the sides of them, lock that flavor in before we put it in the crock pot and add all the other goodies to it. Okay, let me move you over to the stove so we can do that together. Okay, so I have this pan on medium high-ish because we want to sear this really quick. And I have a couple tablespoons of oil in here. So carefully put that in there. Love that sound. So just like a couple minutes on each side, and make sure to get the sides too. Okay, got this in the crock pot. Now you can set this on low for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. And since I'm starting this late, I'm doing it on high for 4 hours. So now we're just gonna add some garlic powder over it. And that's probably about a tablespoon. And that's a big chunk of meat, so add away. And I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder as well, about the same amount. Okay, and we have Italian seasoning packet that we're going to use. And then we have Italian dressing. We're just going to use a couple tablespoons of this. This is my favorite go-to. And every time I get this, I do open it up and I add in probably a couple tablespoons of honey, because it just tastes so much better to me that way. So, but you guys use your favorite kind. I might do 3. Why not? Okay, and I'm going to add in some of these, and this is optional, but I'm going to add in some of these. then you can also use some later when you put your sandwich together. So just a little bit, totally optional because they are a little spicy. And then we're gonna add in 2 cups of beef broth. And I'm going to throw in a few of these pepperoncinis with just a little splash of the juice. We'll do 3. There we go. And now, just because I do this with my roast when I make like regular roast, I'm just going to top it off with some pads of butter. And that's it. We're going to let this cook on high for 4 hours. And then we'll be back. So excited. It already smells good. I'll be back, guys. All right, you guys. Oh, yes. Sorry, I didn't mean to steam you out there. So, this has been smelling the entire house. It like deliciousness. Oh, look at this. It just shreds apart. So what I'm gonna do, look at this. Oh my gosh. Right? So good. What I'm going to do is just shred this. And then I have some, here, let me show you. I just have some hoagie rolls. And I'm going to open them up and butter them and then just air fry them because I want them to get pretty crispy because I'm going to dip them in here. Maybe like the top of it, maybe not the bottom. But it's up to you. You can dip the whole sandwich or dip the bread or whatever. So I'm going to make them pretty extra crispy. That way I can dip the top in this juice because, oh my gosh. Okay, cannot wait. Let me do all that and we'll put it together. All right, you guys, so I have toasted these. So I just put some butter on these on the inside and then sprinkled some garlic powder and a little bit of salt on it. So what we're going to do now is just take some of this delicious beef that I've shredded. Top this. I'm going to dip this one, I think, just a little bit, maybe like the top part of the juice. Oh, yes. We're making this super full. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Get a little bit of sogginess. And we're gonna take some provolone cheese, break it up. Here. And now this is where you can add some more of these if you want. Just add a few. Just a little bit. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look at that. I'm gonna taste this. Oh, perfect. Okay, you guys. So good. Let me know if you try it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And go check out Theme Doll. And subscribe and like and share that too. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.